sneezing made us care about each other. Imagine you're that early human. You hear a sneeze. Your brain instantly flags. Danger. Germs nearby. In tight-knit groups, one sick person could doom everyone. So evolution wired us to react. We pay attention. We even say, "Bless you." And that phrase? It's ancient. The Romans thought sneezing expelled evil spirits. West African traditions saw it as a sign the soul was threatened. Vikings believed a sneeze meant the gods were listening. Across cultures, we built rituals around this reflex.